I'm Alex, welcome to Skinny's Garage. I'll give you a quick tour of the workshop. This is the main workshop space where you work on all of our customers' bike, general servicing and maintenance. We've got all of our hoists lined up nicely in a row. We've also got all of our workbenches where we do all of our engine rebuilds and everything in between. As you can see up the back here, our senior mechanic TK has his own special area, nice and devoted to him. He's a specialist in engine building and suspension maintenance, building rally bikes and venture bikes. And up the back, I'll show you the dirty space. So in the back half of the workshop here is where we store all of our customers' bikes, currently bikes that we're working on, waiting for parts, and also some bikes that we have for sale. We've also got back here all of our oil and consumables. We've got the press, the ultrasonic cleaner for cleaning all the carburetors and all the nitty-gritty stuff. The tyre machine, which is crucial for any functioning workshop. And up the back, we've got the real messy stuff. So out here, we've got the feature of the alleyway in the workshop. This is where we store all of the customers' bikes that are coming for day-to-day drop-off and pick-up. We also use this space for events, barbecues. We've also used it at night time with the festoon lights. It creates quite a cool little area for us to have a bit of an event. Appreciate you guys hanging out and checking out the workshop. And if you ever need any service or maintenance, feel free to get in contact.